Good morning, kindergartners. I miss you and I hope that you are all doing well and that you had an opportunity to enjoy the nice weather we had yesterday once again. I have a video message with our morning message today, and I will go over the work for today. So here's our morning message. Good morning. It is Monday, April 6th, 2020. The review sight words are what, was. When you are practicing your sight words this week, focus on what and was. Practice reading them, practice writing them. Here is our question for the day. What is missing? Here is a picture of a jet. So I have j, t. Fill in the missing letter in the word jet. Here is a picture of a fan. F, n. Fill in the missing letter in the word fan. Okay, for today's assignments, we will use our MyView book, our math book, and our science book. Now, remember, families, that most of the work can be done without watching the video lesson. So if you do not have an opportunity to watch the video lesson today, that is okay. The work can still be done without the video lesson, but the video lessons are there to help you. So I do encourage you to make sure that you're going to our website and watching those videos as needed. So first, for reading, we will have our MyView book, and we will be on pages 128 and 129. This is our weekly launch. The title of this is called Then and Now. As a family or as a parent, please help your child read this. A lot of the words in here in the text will be too difficult for your child. They are not independent readers for the most part yet. So make sure that you are reading this to them and talking about it. So you'll read page 128, talking about then and now, and page 129. Our weekly question is up here in orange. It is, what was life like in the past? So that is what we will be thinking about all week long as we do our MyView reading. After you do page 128 and page 129, you will do page 130. It is reviewing the sounds for the letter P and the letter Y. The sound for the letter P is P, P. The sound for the letter Y is Y, Y. It wants you to read the sentence and then write the whole word here. Again, this has a missing letter just like my words did in morning message, but it's all at the beginning. So this sentence says, that is my, pen. That's a picture of a pen. Now I need to figure out what's missing here. P, N. P is missing, so I'm going to write the whole word. P-E-N. You'll fill in the rest. There are 3 more for you to do here. That is all you have to do in your MyView reading book today. Our math lesson is all about addition, and there is a video lesson about using pictures to help solve addition equations. And then there's also a YouTube video about addition that we are all familiar with when you add with a pirate. Today's pages are 177 and 178. Looks like this. There are a lot of problems here. So our first equation is 5 plus 1 equals, and it's our job to add 5 plus 1 together. You can draw pictures here or on a separate sheet of paper, and then write your answer in here. Down at the bottom, you connect the dots. So you're putting numbers in order. You start with 1, go to 2, 3. And then the next page is page 178. This is a lot of problems on the page. The top part is addition, the bottom part is subtraction. Focus on the top half today with addition. If you want a challenge, you can try the whole page. Otherwise, just try to do 10 problems on the top half here today. That is for math. For science, this week we begin a new unit, Unit 3 in our science book. You can go to Think Central, log in, and watch the video. But again, if you don't have the ability to do that, you do not need to watch the video in order to do the workbook pages. So it's Many Plants here on page 35. And I read it together with my family. Take a good look at the pictures. There's an activity for you to draw something here. And all the way through page 38, where you sum it up on this page. And down here, parents, are the questions, what they need to do in each row. So here's the circle, and here is the triangle. I am around all day. Feel free to message me on Remind or email me. I will send out a read aloud later today. I have some meetings this morning, so I might not get back to you right away. When you go to our website, you will notice we changed the format. It is now set up by day of the week instead of by subject. We got a little bit of feedback from parents last week. We ask that you bear with us. This is new for us as kindergarten teachers, and give us more feedback about how it's going for you and what you'd like to see different. We appreciate that. All right, have a wonderful day.